Welcome guys, so today I am with Motorola Moto G52 and I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips. So let's quickly open the camera application and the first I'm gonna show you how you can take photos with volume buttons. Yeah, with the volume up and volume down. So normally when you try to take photo like that, you can make it, as you can see, but you can also make it with the volume buttons. And it's useful because you can hold your phone more stable, just like that. So volume up and volume down works the same. You can also take series of the photo by clicking and holding on the shutter. It also works when you click and hold the volume buttons. You can find these photos in the gallery, that's very obvious. And when you tap on this icon, or we don't even have to, so you will be able to slide and take a preview of each photo, but let me just enable auto rotate of the screen. Okay, and there it is. So we can pick each photo. Right now we can smoothly move. Oh, let me just disable this flashlight. We can smoothly move for additional modes, and right here we can find very useful spot color mode. It works on the photo and the video mode. So as you can see right now we can pick maybe the yellow one. Yeah, I guess. So we have to move this pointer on the color, and as you can see right now the other colors just disappear. Right now only the yellow is available right here. We can also manipulate with this slider. Yeah, just like that. As you can see, it looks great. So we can take photo. And that's how it looks. Okay, so that was another tip. I think that right now we can click right here to go for this menu. Let me just change this annoying aspect ratio. It's definitely too big. Yeah, just like that. Now you can also enable the camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. And as you can see right now, we can take photos after this 3 seconds delay. And the last tip will be in the settings. So tap on this gear icon and next open the capture settings. As you can see right now, we can use this option tap anywhere to capture. You have to turn it on. As a default, this option is turn it off, and take a look right now. When you click on the screen, the photo will be taken. Let me just remove this delay. Okay, so that's all my 5 tips for the camera application on the Moto G52. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.